This one is the first step. Is a basic glue repair system. Okay, that is completed for all the body shop who wants to approach to the glue repair. Okay, the kit is composed with a battery gun. Okay, that you can adjust the temperature, and this one is very important because if you want to use the glue repair, you have to use in the correct way the temperature of the gun. We have two different kind of glue, the green one and the blue one. Okay, the green one is for small damage that you have to repair with impact sliding hammer or with this kind of gun, you know. And the blue one is a glue that you have to use like system with a pulling bar or tear action. Okay. What is the concept? The concept is that we have to respect only the process, how to use the correct way the glue. It means that we have to use the gun between 180 and 190 degrees Celsius. And before pulling, we have to wait 40 seconds for the green one and roughly 2 minutes for the blue one. This is the only one, the only way. After here in the kit, we have different kind of pulling items, okay, that are flexible, so we can adapt the form to the kind of damage that we have, or the small things for the small damages. This is the new puller station. Okay, the name is fixed station. It's total new design. Okay, on the trolley we have all the items that we can use normally for the pulling system. Here we have a completed machine with a steel dent puller and aluminum dent puller. This is the 550-500 Duo with a double torch. This one is the aluminum dent roller. The station has the support for all the cable, you see. So it became a completed autonomy station to repair. This is the new inverter spot welder, X gun, 16 amps power supply, so we can plug in every plug. We don't need some particular power supply connection. Very simple to use, total water cooling, okay. The concept is X gun, 12,000 amps with 400 decanewton pressure, okay. Very easy to work because here is a semi-automatic machine, so we can plug in the power supply, we can plug in the air supply, and to choose, we have only to select, if you want to check here, the thickness. We can increase only the thickness. And the machine does automatic everything alone, okay?